The first thing we need to do is to organize all of the files you want to zip into an organized folder. Right-click anywhere, go to New and click Folder. Let's call this Organized folder. Now move all of the files you want to zip into the new folder. Now go to the folder you created, select all of the files you want to zip, right-click any of them, click to show more options, move your mouse to Send to, and select Compressed folder. And you can call this compressed file. In some cases, you can select all of the files, right-click any of them, and you have the option to compress to, and you can choose zip file. This is another way of compressing files. If you pay attention to the size of the files, you'll notice that a compressed file is slightly smaller than the original files. With larger files and larger quantities of files, this difference can become higher. You can double-click the compressed folder to open it. After you open the compressed folder, you can still move new files to the compressed folder by moving them. However, this may not appear in real time, so you may have to exit the compressed folder and open it again for the new file to appear. Likewise, if you want, you can also delete files from the compressed folder. Just select the file, right-click it, and click Delete, and choose Yes. The importance of the compressed folders is to allow you to make the folder size lower and to help organize your files. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.